Hello friends, if you are looking for a small size 32-inch smart TV in India, then don't worry, you are at the right place. Here we have the best 32-inch smart TV list in India 2021 after much research and comparisons. I am Naveen Kumar, welcome to my channel Offer Amazon. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 1 on my list, Sony Bravia 32-inch HD Ready Smart TV. In our personal view, the Sony Bravia 32-inch is the best 32-inch smart TV in India 2021 with best features. The Sony Bravia series has been a trademark in flat-screen TVs for more than 10 years now. The TV looks pretty good, and there is an aluminum finish on the sides. Sony has done a great job on this 32W6100 TV display. You get Sony's X Reality Pro engine that shows authentic colors and upscales SD content to HD. Upscaling on this TV is quite powerful, so you get detail in pictures even at low resolution. In addition, Sony has included HDR support for better quality videos and a wider color range. TVs from Sony are known for their excellent sound quality. This TV has 20W open baffle speakers for efficient sound emission. The Clear Audio Plus from Sony produces efficient sound with great bass and clarity. The speakers also have Dolby Audio support for a surround sound experience. Since 32W6100 is a smart TV, you get basic smart features. It has a Sony Plug and Play which features to connect your smartphone with the TV. There is also support for all the major OTT platforms so you can watch your favorite content. Sony has even included screen mirroring to stream content from your phone to the TV with a common Wi-Fi. You also get a smart remote with hotkeys for major OTT apps. The Sony Bravia 32-inch HD Ready Smart TV is a good choice at this price. You get essential features, but there is a lack of smart features. There is no AI capability or voice control, which are basic features for any TV at this price. Considering all the features, this Sony TV feels a bit overpriced. Number 2 online list, LG 32-inch HD Ready Smart LED TV. LG 32-inch HD Ready Smart TV is a premium quality 32-inch smart TV in India 2021. It is an HD Ready TV, which means a resolution of 1366x768. The TV looks great with small bezels and a sleek design. The thin design means it will fit perfectly with your interior design. This 32LM563BPTC TV has a dynamic color enhancer, which is an advanced image processor. Colors and brightness are adjusted according to the scenes to show a realistic picture. It also has active HDR with HLG offering natural colors. HDR also means a wider range of colors coupled with LG's scene-to-scene adjustment technology. All this makes for an excellent display that provides a superior watching experience. The speakers of this TV, although not remarkable, have a certain punch to them. LG has included support for DTS Virtual X, which offers an ambient sound experience. Dolby Audio backs the DTS Virtual X for clearer and more immersive sound. LG's own WebOS, although not on par with Android TV, is pretty decent. You get control of smart devices around your home from the home dashboard. You can even multitask, but on TV hardware, we don't recommend this. You get all the major OTT platforms on the remote so that you can enjoy your favorite TV shows and movies. It has a quad-core processor, which makes the experience seamless. The LG 32-inch 32LM563BPTC HD Ready Smart LED TV is a great choice at this price. It has a decent display and speakers, which makes the watching experience impressive. Number 3 on my list, Samsung 32-inch Wondertainment Smart TV. Samsung's HD Ready is an affordable 32-inch smart TV you can buy in India. Samsung's Wondertainment series has affordable TVs with great features. This is the new 2021 model and comes with several improvements. However, the design is basic, and the bezels are noticeable, which is a downgrade from other TVs of the same range. Samsung is popular for great displays, and this UA32TE40AAKB XL also comes with HDR and Pure Color technology. HDR provides a wider color range and natural-looking pictures. The Ultra Clean View feature delivers high-quality images with noise reduction and less distortion. Pure Color technology offers a vast range of colors. Samsung's OS has seen some significant improvements in recent times. The UI feels snappy, and the simple design helps in navigating from one app to the other. You also get multiple voice assistants with Bixby, Google Assistant, and Alexa. As a result, users can do most of the work with voice control. You also get the new personal computer mode to turn your TV screen into a computer's display. With Samsung devices, you can also use the Home Cloud to save pictures and videos onto the TV wirelessly. You also get 1 year of Gaana Plus free with the TV along with Office 365. Overall, Samsung's 32-inch HD-ready UA32TE40AAKB XL TV is a decent product. Although there is no Dolby Atmos, the speakers sound decent, and the display is a fine example of Samsung's craftsmanship. Moreover, the added features of Bixby and personal computer mode make it even better. Number 4 on my list, OnePlus 32-inch Y Series HD Ready TV. The OnePlus Y Series is a very popular 32-inch smart TV in India due to its affordability and features. OnePlus TVs have taken the market by storm. The TV looks great with its small bezels and slim build. Being an Android TV, you get added features and connectivity. OnePlus 32Y1 claims to have a color range of 93% DCI-P3, which means you get authentic and natural-looking colors. The display also has a Gamma engine to reduce noise, offer dynamic contrast and anti-aliasing. This helps the TV produce visual quality like never before. Furthermore, a 93% color gamut means that this display supports 93% of the color spectrum. As a result, users can enjoy a vivid watching experience. This 32Y1 TV also has support for Dolby Audio, which means you can enjoy surround sound. The 20W speakers produce clear sound, but these speakers are no match for some of the premium TVs. Instead, the speakers offer rich sound, and you can make do with the TV speakers for basic usage. OnePlus has done a great job in its UI. This is an Android TV so that you can enjoy a variety of apps and games. On top of Android, OnePlus has also included Oxygen Play. Oxygen Play offers you the latest TV shows and movies right on the home screen. Oxygen Play's UI looks great, and its recommendations are pretty helpful. You also get access to Google Assistant and perform most actions with voice control. The OnePlus 32-inch Y Series HD Ready Android TV is an excellent product with a great display. OnePlus has done a great job with its UI and Oxygen Play. The sound quality is decent, but you will be better off using a home theater system. All in all, the OnePlus Y Series TV is an excellent TV for a low price. Number 5 on my list, Onida 32-inch HD Ready Smart LED TV. The Onida Fire Edition is the supreme 32-inch great smart TV available in India 2021. Remember the days when Onida used to reign in the TV market of India? Well, they haven't stopped producing TVs yet, and this TV is a fine example of their experience. The Onida 32-inch Fire TV looks great with its small bezels and slim design. In addition, the use of Fire OS on this TV enhances the watching experience. You get a great looking display at 1366x768 resolution. It makes use of the Lucent Picture Engine for more detail in pictures and videos. The colors on this 32HIF1 TV look natural, but there is no support for HDR or HLG. Onida has not focused on providing many features for the display, which is a drawback. The speakers on this 32HIF1 TV have support for Dolby Audio and DTS Stereo Surround. The audio quality is pretty decent, and Dolby Audio provides the much needed clarity. DTS Stereo Surround helps in offering a surround sound feel. The audio feels rich and has some depth to it. Onida has included many features with the Fire OS. UI feels great, and the quad-core processor makes the whole experience quite snappy. You get recommendations on the home screen, and there is a separate tab for live channels too. In addition, the TV has Alexa built in so that you can do most actions with voice control.